activity today, you guys are going to get to play with the cameras and learn a little bit about directing. So we have talks from people like that all the time. Over the weekend, we had a director from Saturday Night Live come and came to a talk with us. So we have guest speakers all the time, right? So today we're going to do a presentation for you. This is Chelsea. She's in our program. She's going to give you a little bit of insight from the student perspective.
Alright, so my name is Chelsea Brito. I'm actually a freshman in college right now. I joined the program last year, in the beginning of summer, 2017, and since then I've had the opportunity to screen a short film in SAG-AFTRA Robin Williams Center. But it took me 2 years for me to really lock down on whether or not I wanted to do the program. I heard amazing stories from my friends who were in the program, and that was kind of a push, and amazing program, amazing opportunity.
Handle here, and then hold the lens. You go under him. Yeah. This is where you'll focus, and this is where you'll zoom in and zoom out. When the director has everything settled, you're gonna have to figure out how you would like to kind of film the scene. Because as a DP, as a camera operator, your job is to kind of put your vision in it.
All right, so here. So you'll be man A, you'll be man B, character A, character B. So I want you guys to say the lines as fast as possible, how you envision it to them. So 3, 2, 1, action.
Tell me something. What do you know about Wakanda?
It's a third world country. Textiles, shepherds, cool outfits.
All up front. Explorers have searched for it, called it El Dorado. They looked for it in South Africa, but it was... I lost my...
You can turn it to the right. There you go. Yep. Exactly. Good job, guys. So, do any of you know like the camera movements? Any movements of the camera? Do you know what this is called when it goes left to right or right to left? Pan. Pan. There you go. So, one of the most basic camera movements is a pan. You basically go like that, and you usually use it with a tripod because it's like more steady. What's this? Up and down.
Or like what led into this situation?
It's a tilt. So basically, yeah. And you would use a tripod for that too.
But they wanted the backstory. They wanted the backstory, but that's the complete setting to the point
But we could use that. We can use that.
It's because film qualifies under STEM, right? The camera is nothing but physics, right? The fun way